Good morning, everyone. Jumped on a minute or two early just to make sure my audio and everything was working, and the sound wasn't coming out of my computer, so I had to go ahead and switch up some settings, but it looks like my mic is working. It is Thursday, August 7th, 2025, and we got some stocks are higher today. Dow up 238, NASDAQ up 180, S&P up 37. So stocks bounced, gapped up overnight. We had something that came out with after the bell yesterday with Apple investing billions of dollars in making the screen to their, or the glass to their iPhone and watches here in America. Markets like that. Initial jobless claims came out this morning. It didn't really affect things much. Morning, Avash. Watching PLTR this morning as it's trading just above yesterday's highs. It did go up and touch all-time highs pre-market, but if it comes down, it holds at yesterday's highs. Could be an early long. Circle up 3.7%. Apple 2.6. Coinbase 2.3. Bitcoin at 116,955. See Square, formerly Square, now Block Inc. Ticker XYZ has earnings after the bell. Win also earnings after the bell. Piton. Looks like it's all the big ones. There's the bell. All right, PLTR just went through the yesterday's highs. So now trading below it. Let's see if it tries to stay above it. Today's the 1 DTE. Hood pushing up. Yeah, Hood well through pre-market highs. Amazon up to pre-market high, previous day highs, which is also pre-market highs, so potential long there as well. PLTR not above, hasn't been able to stay above previous day highs. So I'll look for Amazon to pull back to previous day highs. Man, Amazon only trading it at the money at $1. It's quite odd. All right, PLTR popped right back up above previous day highs. So again, gonna watch it close. See if it wants to stay above it. VIX 16.07. Coinbase right up at previous pre-market highs. About an 11-point push up out of the S&P so far. PLTR back down. See if Amazon pulls back to previous day highs. Tesla's another one pulling back to previous day highs. Might look at long in Tesla here at previous day highs. It's got to come back down for me. I would trade the 322.5 calls. See if I can get filled at $3. It's got to come down to previous day highs for me to get hit on that. Filled at $3. Tesla 322.5 calls. Want to see it bounce up now? And I would close half at 330. Amazon holding. Not pulling back much. Looks like it wants to continue to rip. Darn it. I wanted it to come down a little more. No. The pullback in Tesla or in Amazon just took off. Tesla coming down, but this is chopping around right there. Let this bar finish. I'd like to see it hold where it's at. Amazon coming back down a little bit. Amazon, I would trade the 225 calls. I'll put an order at $1.05 and see if it comes down and gets me. I may adjust that. Yeah, see, we need to build at 330 in Tesla. Close half. Could have another Tesla at 360. Yeah. Ooh, PLTR pulled, popped back up right above yesterday's high. I'm going to go ahead and cancel my Amazon. Let's see, PLTR. I would trade the 182.5 calls. Filled at $1.59. Now, if this looks like it wants to come back down below previous day high, I'll just get out of it. I would close half at $1.80. In PLTR. Tesla, no extension yet. Let's go ahead and get out of half my PLTR at $1.75. Ooh, Tesla now coming down. I don't like that. Needs to pop back up there. SMCI ripping up. Man, I was real close to getting out of half my PLTR. Now it's coming back down. That's not what I wanted to see. No volume bars. All right, closing Tesla. Filled at 254. $48 loss, darn it. I was hoping that would rip up. I missed Amazon. Got in Tesla. Got out of half. And then it just reversed. Boeing really pushing up. Might get a little mighty 90. SMCI pushing up. AVGO looks like it might get a mighty 90 here. Just hit all-time highs, though. I need to see it bounce out of PLTR. I don't like that it finished below previous day highs, but it can. If they can push back up above it, will be fine. Yeah, VIX really firing up now. Shoot. PLTR is acting like it wants to hold, so I'm not really sure what's causing the VIX spike. Swiss government do not consider countermeasures to U.S. tariffs at present. Well, I had a nice trade in PLTR yesterday and have a bad one today. So they kind of cancel each other out. Yeah, Tesla all the way down. Amazon holding up. Darn it. And it pulled back too. I wish I wouldn't have missed Amazon there. Microsoft with a nice looking mighty 90. Well, look at a little mighty 90 long in Microsoft on the 525 calls. Filled at 237. And I would close half at 260. Nice looking mighty 90 there. Darn it, I wish I would have got in on Amazon. Gave me two chances. I missed them both. Hood through highs of day. Filled at 260 in Microsoft. On that mighty 90. Close some more at 285. Whoa. Filled as soon as I put it in. 285. Get out some more at 310. Still holding PLTR. It's not looking like it wants to push up. I should probably bounce. It's below that previous day high, but I'll put it over here 1 minute. But just trying to give it a little bit more time to bounce as it's been so strong. Man, I really missed out on Amazon, darn it. Twice. I still have my order at $1.75 there. Oh, yeah. AMD, yeah. Nice little pullback there. Nice push up. SMCI is pulling back to previous day highs. So we're waiting for 2 consecutive greens out of Microsoft. PLTR trying to get back up to previous day high. That's making me feel better. SMCI comes down to previous day high. I may get long SMCI as well. Man, just really small since it came back down. I think I'll pass on it. A little bit of a roller coaster here on PLTR. Down, up, down, up. Back to about where I got in. Okay, now I need to see a push up. Don't go back down, PLTR. No, no, no. You're above previous day highs. Stay above it. It's kind of at pre-market lows. See if there we go. Filled at $1.75 in PLTR. I let that one get a little more red than normal. Yeah, Hood's got a nice mighty 90 short right now. Could have some more PLTR at $1.90. Tesla came all the way back up. AMD still going. Microsoft trying to give us our second green bar. Filled at $1.90 to get out of some more PLTR. Get out some more at 210. Filled at 210. So 2 days in a row with a nice PLTR trade. Let's see. So not up to all-time highs yet. PLTR. Let's see if it can make it. Getting our second green bar in Microsoft, so I'll be closing it. Got 1 minute to go on this bar. Well, shucks. Tesla all the way back up. Oh, well. That was a $48 loss. PLTR is actually getting now a mighty 90 short. Don't like that. All right. I'm going to close Microsoft here. Let me see if it can give another little push. Got out of another at 338. Looks like it wants to get strong. So I'm going to ride it here. All right. Go ahead and take my winnings. Filled at 330 to close. Microsoft, nice, mighty 90. All right, PLTR, it's coming up. Pre-market high, not even pre-market highs. I don't like that it had a mighty 90 short. I'm going to give it a chance. See if it wants to get back up to new all-time highs. You can kind of see it got rejected where it's at once already in the pre-market. Wow, Boeing ripping. New all-time highs in PLTR, baby. Closed another at 225 PLTR. Yeah, I don't even have Reddit on my list. I'll put Reddit on instead of CrowdStrike. I've got an order to close another PLTR at 250. Tesla through highs of day. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Lower, that's 245 to get out of another. Amazon's still going too. That was one that I missed twice. Gotta watch for a pullback here now in PLTR. It just hit all-time highs. You can't keep just going straight up. So, man, I hate to lose a lot of profit in with the pullback, which I'm doing right now. Darn it, lost a couple hundred. Amazon and AMD still going. Nvidia not doing anything. S&P been pretty darn choppy though. I think I may just take my profits here. Let's see on PLTR. I like to get this, let this bar finish and see what the next one's going to do. But man, it's really eating into it now, coming down like this. Yeah. Dang, it really has come down. It was up to almost 247. Now it's back down to 194. I'll let this bar finish. Just hope it doesn't come down anymore. Tesla bouncing off previous day high. That's another potential entry there. Amazon pulling back a bit. Circle just bleeding lower. Nice little pullback in Amazon. So this is kind of my new line in the sand with PLTR right here. It's right at pre-market highs. Let's see, Amazon. Might get long Amazon here on the 225 calls. Did it just leave me again? Man, I thought I was being aggressive. Well, I've got an order at $1.60. I'll let it sit there and see what happens. Filled at $1.60 in Amazon. Filled at 245 to close another PLTR. Close half my Amazon at $1.75. Filled actually at $1.78. Close some more to $1.90. Filled at 261 to get out of some more, another PLTR. Filled at $1.90 to get out of some more Amazon. Get out some more Amazon at 205. All right, closing my PLTR. Filled at 256. I only had a couple contracts left. So the risk reward was just not there for just a couple contracts. It may keep ripping, but just a couple contracts wasn't going to get me much more. Wow, S&P is just falling. I've been so caught up in these PLTR and Amazon, I haven't even noticed. Wow, they're just ripping up while these are just falling. My line in the sand with Amazon will be right here where it bounced. Wow, I can't believe I've profited so much on these longs when the S&P is it's come down like 25, 30 points. It's pretty wild. I got an order at 205 to close some more Amazon. Man, Tesla, what a roller coaster that was, all the way back down. AMD looking like it once more. I have to look at my son's PLTR shares he's got. They're up 303%. Trying to find what I got in at on him. Amazon coming down a bit. I want to see it hold. Amazon trying to push up a bit. Tell you, S&P still coming down. If it can bounce, Amazon may rip to new highs. VIX going straight up. We did have Fed President Bostic start talking at 9 o'clock. I wonder if 9 o'clock Central. I wonder if that's what sent the markets down. No extension yet. Amazon's trying. Coinbase trying to get up to highs of day. S&P's still coming down. Wowza. Netflix pulled back to previous day high and bounced. AMD still trucking upwards. Yeah, now Amazon's coming down. Yeah. May just be where it's just not. Market might just pull Amazon down, but I'm gonna hold it until if it goes below right here, I would exit. It's down to where I got in, darn it. Let this bar close here. Get a new bar here in a minute. Hopefully it pops back up. S&P is in free fall mode. It's come down 45 points in the last 25 minutes. Tough times for Delta Neutral. You got to pick your spots. Got to be real selective. I need this to pop back up. A lot of my profit is now gone in Amazon. Man, that took away a lot of money here. This down move. Need a reversal. Well, I don't think I'm going to get in anything else, guys. So, Amazon, if it comes down much more here, I'll just cut it. So, otherwise, if it looks like it wants to continue higher, I'll just let it go. So, we will see everybody at Power Hour. Have a good one. Peace.